Number 231.
Thank you, I believe. We're going to be westbound on 45th Street. I believe it's going to be a dead end.
10-4, westbound 45th Street, that is.
Tag that's currently on is going to be Echo 767 Echo. We're continuing westbound about 30 miles an hour.
Check, we're 3 miles per hour westbound. Back to you, guys, road conditions.
It's clear. We're going to be turning southbound on 30th Court.
10-4, southbound 30th Court.
It's going to be white male driver, white female passenger.
10-4, white male driver, white female passenger. Sure.
Attempted pit.
10-4, attempted pit.
Still going southbound.
10-4, southbound.
Sixty 190. If you come up 30th Court, it looks like you're stopping.
Back to you, 10-9.
Let me see your hands! Felony stop.
10-4, felony stop. Station 1033.
I don't care. Put your hands up. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car with your hands in the air. Take your seatbelt off. Step out of the car with your hands in the air.
Man, before you spit me out, I already gave up, man.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. You got her?
It don't hurt, man. She's man, that's why I stopped.
Put your hands behind your back. Bro, you're still rolling from me. You're fleeing from me.
My car's off.
It ain't even...
Look, if I was gonna go, I would've go, man. Come on, man.
You win.
No, I didn't. No, trust me, I didn't. No, I no.
You're getting charged with leaving.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but trust me, I didn't go. Like I said, bye to my girl. I gave up. I gave up.
Why'd you take off from me first? I got a warrant. You got a warrant?